Get ready for a game changer in the world of streaming. Netgem's PLEIO is here to revolutionize your entertainment experience. This sleek little device, designed to fit in the palm of your hand, promises to bring all your favorite shows, movies, and even games to your TV without the need for any external antennas or dishes. It's like having a magic puck that unlocks a world of entertainment. But here's where it gets controversial. Netgem's PLEIO is the first external streaming box to offer compatibility with the Freely streaming service, a unique platform that provides live-streamed access to the UK's Freeview HD digital broadcast service. Freely, which is not typically available on Android or Google TVs, offers a vast array of channels and on-demand content, all accessible via broadband. It's like having your very own personal TV station, but without the traditional hardware. The PLEIO's design is as impressive as its capabilities. With a circular shape, a sleek black finish, and a size that could fit on an ice hockey puck, although please don't try that at home, it's a stylish addition to any entertainment setup. It packs a punch with HDMI 2.1 and USB 2.0 ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, ensuring a smooth and seamless streaming experience. Running on the Android TV 14 platform. The PLEIO offers a wide selection of streaming services, including the big names like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and more. But the real star of the show is its integration with Freely, allowing users to access a whole new world of content that was previously limited to specific TV brands. And this is the part most people miss. The Netgem PLEIO is a game changer for those who don't have a TV with built-in Freely support. Simply connect the puck to your TV's HDMI input, and you're ready to stream all the content Freely has to offer. No more switching between devices or platforms. The PLEIO is your one-stop shop for all your streaming needs. It even has a dedicated Freely button on the remote control, making it incredibly user-friendly. The £99 retail package includes the PLEIO puck, a remote control with voice recognition, and a wireless joystick for gaming. With support for 4K video with HDR10 and Dolby Atmos sound, the PLEIO delivers an immersive entertainment experience. But wait, there's more. Netgem is also highlighting the PLEIO's gaming capabilities. With a Netgem PLEIO subscription, which is not required for Freely access, you can stream and play over 250 console games using the specially designed PLEIO wireless joystick. It's like having your own personal arcade at home. You can purchase the Netgem PLEIO in two ways. As a standalone device for £99, you'll receive the puck, remote, gamepad, and a 3-month trial subscription. Or you can opt for a monthly subscription through select ISPs for £9.99 without the upfront cost. So, is the Netgem PLEIO the future of streaming? Will it revolutionize the way we access entertainment? We want to hear your thoughts. Do you think this device is a game changer, or is it just another streaming gadget? Let us know in the comments.